guys, it is me, Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest-inspired project. I'm actually filming this on a Thursday because what we're making does take about 12 hours to set up. We are making chocolate peanut butter eclair cake. It sounds really good, and the ingredients are super simple. I will have the pin that inspired this link below, and I will also have the full recipe listed below as well. So the first thing you need is a 9x13 pan, and it does say in the recipe to spray the bottom with a cooking spray. I don't have that, so I'm just going to take a little pastry brush with oil just to grease the bottom. The next thing it calls for is a 14-ounce box of the chocolate graham crackers. Looks like this here, and we found all these ingredients at Walmart. Alright, so then it says line the bottom of the pan with the graham crackers with whole graham cracker pieces. This is the whole box here. Take these and line these along the bottom. So just going to take it close to the whole box. Okay, so we have that done. All right, next, step 3, in a bowl, which I have over here, we're going to set this aside. Any mixing bowl. I'm going to adjust you guys so you can see it. All right, large mixing bowl. We're going to add in the peanut butter. I have 1 cup of peanut butter here. I'm going to get a spoon to scrape the rest of that off there. Okay, so there's our 1 cup of peanut butter. Then next it tells us to add in the pudding mix. This is 2 boxes of the Jell-O instant pudding. Alright, next we're going to add in the milk, which was 3.5 cups of milk. The peanut butter, the pudding, and the milk all goes in there. And we're going to mix this on a medium speed with an electric mixer. Alright, I'm going to start off low. Alright, I just finished mixing it up with my mixer. You want to do it to where it's almost like, you know, pudding. Alright, next it says to fold in the tulip topping. Okay, we're just going to lightly fold this in. Peanut butter, pudding, and Cool Whip. You can't go wrong. Now while I'm doing this, the next step you need is a container of frosting. This is a 16-ounce container. It says to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I'm going to do that now. That way that can be done when we're done mixing this together. Alright, so when this is done, we're going to pour half of this mixture over our graham crackers. Let's bring our tray of graham crackers back over. Put those aside. Out of our way. That is done. Ooh, and that is hot. Okay. Alright, take this and we're going to pour about half of it on here. Because you want to do a few layers. I'm going to do a little bit more in there. I'm get it nice and even. Alright, now on top of that, we're going to add in another layer of graham crackers. Alright, so half the pudding mixtures on there and graham crackers. So you may not need the whole box. I think the graham crackers are supposed to represent the cake layers inside an eclair. I'll put some on the sides over here. Okay. Then it says to pour over the remaining pudding. Make sure I get all that out of there. Okay, let's set that aside. And again, even layer, the best you can. Okay, and then after that it says to and cover with another layer of graham crackers. So there's going to be 3 layers total of the graham crackers. So you do need the whole box. Maybe not the entire thing, but close to it. Get them in the side there. Okay, so now I'm just kind of placing them where there's gaps. Alright, then it says to pour the frosting on top. Let me get my little spatula over here. Alright, and this is hot, so be careful. Pour this on top. I'm actually going to mix it a little bit inside of here. Okay. It looks like an eclair already. Want to make sure you cover all the graham crackers. I'm going to spread it out a little bit just to cover the graham crackers over here. Alright, now the recipe says after this you want to let it sit in the fridge for 12 hours for it to set up. So it is Thursday, 3 o'clock. I'll probably come back. We'll see how it is tonight because I know hubby's going to want to dig into it tonight. I'll see how it is a little bit later. But if not, I'll come back tomorrow and let you guys see what it looks like. So you can see the side with all the layers there. Alright, so I'm going to let that go ahead and go in the fridge, set up, and I'll come back to you guys tomorrow and let you guys know how this recipe turned out. See you soon. Alrighty guys, here we are back with our chocolate peanut butter eclair cake. It is Friday morning about 10:30. This has been in the fridge since Thursday at 3:30, so it had plenty of time to set up. I did go ahead and cut 2 pieces out because I did mess up on the video. But I'm going to cut it again. First, I'm going to show you guys the layers. If you can see that. You can see the chocolate layers, the graham crackers, and the cream filling. I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. Okay, so I'm going to take that out of there. And I'll see if I can show you the layers up close. Okay, hope you can see the layers there. Alright, I'm going to take a bite into it. Just dig into one of the corner pieces here so I'm able to get all the layers. So I got the frosting on top, the graham crackers, and the cream filling. Okay, my thoughts. It's good, but I think the chocolate, or the chocolate frosting on top, that's the very first thing you taste. So it does kind of outweigh or overpower the peanut butter filling. Although you do taste a little bit of that, not as much. I'm tasting mostly the frosting. If I were to make it again, which I still think is a maybe, I would definitely have the recipe. I don't think you need a 9x13 size of this. I would do like an 8x8 or a 9x9 pan. So of course you would have all the ingredients. This one did call for the 16-ounce can of the chocolate frosting. So of course you would use half of that with the 8x8 pan or the smaller one. I'd probably still use less than that. Like I said, that's the very first thing I taste is the chocolate. The graham crackers, they're no longer crunchy, of course. They do have a cake texture to them. So I can see where the recipe calls it a chocolate peanut butter eclair cake. It's not heavy. At first I thought with all the, the Cool Whip, the peanut butter, the instant pudding, the chocolate frosting, I thought it'd be like a really heavy dessert. It's actually not. I find it to be really light. But I would definitely make it again, but do a few things different. I would definitely have the recipe, like I said, to an 8x8 or a 9x9 size pan. I probably wouldn't use nowhere near as much as that frosting. That is the first thing you taste. I do think it cuts nicely so you can see, so it's good for presentation as far as you can see all the layers. I mean, I'll eat it. It's not going to go to waste, but like I said, I would just do a few things different. You can also change it up. If you want to use, if you're not that big on chocolate, maybe use regular graham crackers. You could maybe use vanilla wafers in between the layers versus the graham crackers. I think the chocolate frosting, the peanut butter, and the chocolate graham crackers is just a little bit too much for me. I'm not a big chocolate person. But overall, I think it's good. I'm glad I tried it. Hubby will devour this. It'll be gone by the weekend, I'm sure. He loves everything chocolate. But anyway, guys, there you have it. Our chocolate peanut butter eclair cake. Like I said, I will have the pin inspired this listed below in the description box. And I will also have the full recipe there as well. So you want to print it out and try it. If you guys do try it, leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys have changed anything. Like I said, you can easily change out the ingredients as far as the graham crackers and use the plain graham crackers or the vanilla wafers. You can try that. So if you guys do try it, let me know how you like it. And if you did change things up, let me know what you changed, and also did you like it better that way. Anything else, guys, let me know. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.